The Farmers Branch Demo Rebuild Program now offers a sliding scale of benefits for homeowners who wish to replace an existing house with a newer one. Depending upon value of original improvement, that is the house value minus the land, applicants, if approved, could receive a cash grant in addition to a tax rebate incentive. If a home is valued at $65,000 or less, the cash grant will be $30,000 with a tax incentive of 3 years. Between $65,000 and $100,000, the grant becomes $20,000, but the tax benefit increases to 4 years. Likewise, for the next range, $100,000 to $150,000 in value, the cash grant is $10,000, but the tax benefit goes up to 5 years. Finally, for all properties valued at more than $150,000, there is no cash grant, but the tax incentive is 7 years. The new program helps to balance the playing field for different areas of the city and will act as a catalyst for attracting business and as a benefit for local residents. To find out more, call the Economic Development Office at 972-919-2509.